Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. So let's watch the video till the end. The end-to-end encryption is a built-in feature of the WhatsApp app. The sender and receiver use this end-to-end encryption to keep their chat private. Another is end-to-end encryption WhatsApp backup in iCloud, which we will see later in this video. With end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, the messages and calls will be encrypted, and no one outside of the chat, not even WhatsApp, can read or listen to your messages. All of this happens automatically, so there is no requirement to turn on any special setting to enable end-to-end encryption for call and chat, but you can verify the individual chat is end-to-end encrypted in your WhatsApp application. To verify the security code and check whether the chats between you and another person are encrypted end-to-end, follow the steps performed on screen video. Launch the WhatsApp app on your iPhone and open the chat. Then tap the contact's name to open the contact information screen. Tap on encryption. You will see the QR code and 60-digit number. When near your contact, scan the QR code or compare the 60-digit number to verify them. Once you scan the QR code, it matches the code provided. It indicates that your messages and calls are secure and there is no possibility of anyone intercepting them. In addition, you can protect your backup with end-to-end encrypted backup security. So, when you enable end-to-end encryption backup, your messages and media will automatically encrypted and backed up to the iCloud. Let's see how to enable end-to-end encryption backup on WhatsApp. First, launch the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Then, press the settings options at the bottom right corner. After that, scroll down and tap on the chat section. Then, you will get the option of chat backup. Tap on it. Here, tap on end-to-end encrypted backup. My end-to-end encryption is off here, so you have to turn it on. For this, tap on end-to-end encryption and then tap on the turn on option. You will see the option to create a password or use a 64-bit encryption key instead. Here, the 64-bit encryption key is an alternative to creating the password for end-to-end encrypted backup. Follow the prompts to create a password or use your 64-digit encryption key. Tap on the create option. You can set any password here. I recommend you do so in most cases, especially if it is the alphabet, special characters, and numbers. So let's set the password. Once you enter the password, you have to confirm the password again. After creating the simple password, you have to tap on the create button. Your end-to-end encryption is now on. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.